Good evening mga ka-learning. I will read you a bedtime story titled The Ant Hunter. Once there was an ant which got lost somewhere around Anselmo's ear because he could not find his way out. He decided to bite Anselmo's ear. Anselmo would not spare a single ant. He would wipe them all dead. Red ants, black ants, and just about any kind of them. Once Anselmo found an ant hill at the back of their yard. There you are. You even built a house right here, yeah? The worker ants who were harvesting food were surprised when they were swept by flood-like scenario. Take cover, warned one of the ants. Many ants then got sick and injured because of what Anselmo did. This has got to stop, said King Leroy, the leader of all the ants. The mighty king of the ants told the ant with Dr. Simon to coconut a deadly potion that will teach Anselmo a neat lesson. Anselmo could not sleep and felt uneasy that night. Dreams of seeing himself shrieking awakened him. He was shocked to find himself turning into an ant. Anselmo was surprised to see so many ants, and all were of the same size as he is. Anselmo fainted. When he woke up, he was already inside an ant hill. Anselmo saw King Leroy standing in front of him. The ant king asked, What will we do with the ant hunter? The ants chorus punished him. Anselmo was amazed to hear that he calls the ant hunter by the ants themselves. He begged to be returned to his old self, but the ant said no. You must learn to become an ant first before you get back as a normal kid again, said King Leroy. Anselmo was then led to his new home. Anselmo's respect for the ants grew as soon as he got back to his normal self. He learned to admire their good nature Instead of hating, he began to care and protect them. That's the end of our story about the ant hunter. Good night mga ka-learning. God bless!